Hi guys, Chris at Tarmac Sportz. This is our 350Z project that we're going to be doing a vlog on. A little bit of background about the car. I've owned it for about 2 years. I originally bought it from a guy on Facebook. It's got a blown engine, totally gone, and various bits of rust. Not had an MOT since 2015, so basically we've got to make sure that we can build this up, display all our Tarmac Sportz goodies on it, and hopefully get it looking a little bit prettier than it does now. So when I bought the car, we had it transported to a company down here to develop some parts for us that we now sell on the website, and all those parts have been made now, so car's back with us, and it was either try and sell it, which I did over Christmas, but to be honest, don't try and sell a car on Facebook. It's a nightmare. Hundreds of messages, and I just thought, you know what, let's keep the car. We specialise in 350s. Let's put a load of parts on that we sell and use it as a rolling advert for the company. So the first things that we've got to do is make sure that it's going to pass an MOT. At the minute, it's got a few issues, and we need to get it right. So the first thing to do is engine. Now with these cars, to be honest, it's a lot cheaper, a lot less hassle just to get a good used engine. Luckily, my friend Ewan at Tarmac Motorsport had an engine, so we got that shipped down to us. We're going to get that installed, hopefully get that running in this episode, and we're going to look at the underbracing because there's a lot of rust. Car's been in Scotland, so not the nicest of the weather up there, and it hasn't moved, you know, by its own for 2 years. So that'll be the first thing we do.
Hi guys, I'm Bob Ellis. I'm the fitter at Tarmac Sportz, and this is our new little project car. This one suffered an engine failure, so I've pulled the engine. We're going to be fitting a new engine to this. So the engine's out at the moment. Whilst the engine's out, I will be fitting a new clutch. We're going to fit the RTS clutch with a Lighting flywheel, and then we're going to do a lot of our products that we sell here onto this car. So stay with us and see what we do. Hi guys, well as you can see we have the new engine in. We've actually painted the engine, I wanted to do that, and we've done all the engine bay as well. Vehicle's running lovely. We fitted the clutch, we put the RTS clutch in with the flywheel.
Tarmac Sportz flywheel.
Whilst we had the car up in the air, I noticed that the W brace was pretty gone, so we replaced that with the Ultra Racing one, and we did the kidney arms as well, because after removing the W brace the kidney arms were shot. So that's all been done. So the next thing is
MOT time. Wish us luck, guys.